is having some trouble today. We will not have a proper class. Yes, Isha, have you started with it?
Yes, ma'am.
So write the definition. First one, active voice. First definition, active voice. When the subject performs PERFORMS, performs an action in a sentence. When the subject performs an action in the sentence, comma, that is, that is, the subject is the subject is the doer of the action. DOER. The subject is the doer. DOER. Doer of the action. Underline the term doer of the action, comma. The sentence is said to be said to be in active voice. The sentence is said to be in active voice. You can turn to page number 123 and check out the first green color box. When the subject performs the action, that is the subject is the doer of the action also. It is called an active voice sentence. For example, let us check out the first sentence. The doctor treated the patient. Why is this sentence in our active voice? Because the doctor is the doer of the action. Means doctor is the subject. And the doctor is the beginning of the sentence also. So this is an active sentence. Second point, write down in your copy. Second definition, passive voice. Passive voice. When the subject is the receiver of the action, when the subject is the receiver of the action, underline the term receiver of the action, comma, the sentence is said to be, said to be in passive voice. Full stop. In passive voice, comma, in passive voice, comma, the sentence begins with, the sentence begins, begins, the sentence begins with object and verb is used in the third form, and verb, V-E-R-B, verb is used in the third form. Point number 2. Now point number 1 was definition. A, B is there. A is active definition. B is passive voice definition. Point number 2. To helping verb is added. Helping verb is added According to the tense, helping verb is added. According to the tense, T-E-N-S-E, to the tense in passive sentence. In passive sentence, I repeat, helping verb is added according to the tense in a passive sentence. Now here only please write down in the bracket, revise page 34, revise page 34 from book. There is a table of that helping verb section, which helping verb is used where, okay? Point number 2B. Point number 2A you have just written. Point number 2B. A word, W-O-R-D, word by, small b, small y, and write this in single inverted comma, B-Y, by. A word by is added before the subject. A word by is added before the subject. Question number 2C. Sorry, not question. Point number 2C. The subject part is written at the end of a passive sentence. The subject part is written at the end of a passive sentence. Full stop. So you see, you have written the definitions of active voice and passive voice. Then 2A, 2B and 2C. These three are for passive voice. Make a big bracket. 2A, 2B, 2C तीनों के साथ एक बिग ब्रैकेट बनाएंगे and write down passive. This is for passive. Now write point number 3. Point number 3. Point number 1 is definitions. Point number 2 is rules for passive. Point number 3. Steps for changing a sentence. Steps for changing a sentence from active to passive voice. Steps for changing a sentence from active to passive voice. First sentence. First sentence. First point, 3A. This is point number 3A. First step. This is first step. 3A is the first step to change any sentence from active to passive. 3A. Identify the sentence. Identify the sentence if it is active or passive. Identify the sentence if it is active or passive. Point number 3B, next step. Okay, next step for converting active to passive. Next step. Identify the subject. Identify the subject and object in the sentence. Remember the warm-up exercise that we had done yesterday? We separated what is subject and what is object. So this is the next step. Identify the subject and object in the sentence. Step number C, third one. Identify the tense of the sentence. Identify the tense of the sentence. Here only in the bracket write down revise chapter 9, 10 and 11 for tenses. You can write this in the fair copy itself. Revise chapter 9, 10 and 11 for tenses. I am sure you must have gone through the helping verb table and the tenses. Please do that if you have not done as yet. So step number C is identify the tense of the sentence. Now write the fourth point. 3 ABC is over. Write down the fourth point. The fourth heading is now write the sentence. Now write the sentence in passive voice. Now write the sentence in passive voice. So write this. Object, O-B-J-E-C-T, object plus, make a plus sign, object plus helping verb, H-E-L-P-I-N-G, helping verb, V-E-R-B, helping verb plus main verb, M-A-I-N, main verb. Main verb is also called principal verb. I hope you know this. So object plus helping verb plus main verb in the third form. Main verb will be in the third form. Main verb in the third form. I hope you know the forms of verb. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. So this done, gone, admitted, all these are the third forms of verb. You can read out the forms of verb from any grammar book which is available to you. So object plus helping verb plus main verb in the third form plus by, by, by. Remember, this is that extra word that we add to a passive sentence. By, by, plus subject. So object will be the beginning and subject will be the end of the sentence if it is a passive sentence. So children, I am repeating these notes with you. Today we have written the notes. Tomorrow we have first 2 periods together. So we will discuss these definitions and rules and we will do the first exercise of active passive. So please get back to the first page that you have written. We have written the definitions, definition of active voice and definition of passive voice. I am repeating it for you. Please be attentive. So meanwhile, Isha, you can stop the recording. The children can continue revising.